welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, it's your girl Liza Hazel, the queen of online business. And just in case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You guys don't really know how much I feel when I see a new subscriber. I'm the happiest person ever, and my subscriber count is increasing. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. So, guys, I'm a university student. I just completed my exams yesterday, and that marks the end of my second year semester. Yeah, you know what? We are getting into some serious business. 2 videos in a week. Yeah, you heard me right. 2 videos in a week, and I'm getting serious into content creation. Yeah, that is it. That's what you're expecting from me. So prior to the content creation, let's clean up this space. Let's make it a safe space for content creation. Yeah, clean my house with me. So, yep, let's get into it. Did I mention how appreciative I am for the support you have been showing me on my previous videos? Did I? Did I? Oh, I never. Guys, I'm very, very appreciative of you. Thank you very much for the support. You know? Oh my God. I don't know how to thank you, but just know I'm very, very thankful from my end, and I hope you receive my appreciation.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chest. but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the spark so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still